2-song bass demo.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Promo code. I use it a bunch of times. Oh yeah, I use it too. It helps. All right, windows up real quick, you know, for some info. I can hear you better. Wow, nice. So what's your name, man? What's in here?
My name is Trace Childers. I have 2 Sundown U 15s on a Scar SKD 45 at half on.
You know all the box specs?
No, actually I traded 2 EVL 12s for that box, and I did over there stomping.
You're good. So who built the box?
I have no idea.
No idea.
No
okay.
idea.
So it's all a trade.
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay. And this is at the amp you said was at half ohm.
Yeah, half on.
Okay. What's your electrical like for the system?
I got a McMahon 240 ohm, and I have a Sky High 2-watt gauge all the way through.
Okay. Very nice. Have you tried doing a trunk build and then adding this in the back before? Or would you do?
I've tried putting this in the back. The box doesn't fit. And to be honest with you, I just didn't feel like getting another box for it to fit in the trunk. So
yes, sir.
Backseat deleted it.
All right. Yeah, man. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching my videos, man. Let's go ahead and get to the demo.
Well, we're going to try to find something here because I got this flash drive. I just put it in this morning. So.
Okay. It's all good. I see you're already breaking your dash either from the sun or the bass.
Yeah.
Can I see the back? Is there anything behind the trunk, or is it all in the vehicle?
It's all right here.
All in the vehicle.
Yeah.
So your trunk is open. Have you done a good job sealing it, or is it louder, or is it?
It's louder with the trunk open. I could not tell you.
Really?
What.
Okay.
I cannot tell you what.
That's very interesting.
Honestly, I just sealed that off a month ago.
Yeah.
And I had 2 ZVXs in here, and then I just bought his old the 15 U's.
Yeah.
Sundowns. And
wow.
We got them yesterday and put them in yesterday.
Awesome. So you happy with it so far?
Oh yeah, I love it. Sweet. But I do have 2 Scar ZVXs in the trunk. That's it.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
That's it.
Is there a way I can look in there and check it out?
Yeah. Yeah. You got to push hard on yesterday. The U's, it's still kind of not even tuned all the way.
That's all good. Yes, sir. You got a plan for the show. All right.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of his system. Pretty impressive to see that he fit this box inside of the back of his car. Give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. He definitely did a good job. This was at the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2022. Go ahead, if you haven't already, comment, give him some positive feedback you like about his system. I definitely like the way he sealed off the back of his trunk to keep the pressure inside of the cabin, and on the top of his back dash area, he was trying to seal off some of the areas that were trying to leak into the trunk. And having this trunk open actually was louder. A lot of people have told me that opening the trunk seems louder for their system. What do you think about that? Comment. Let us know what you think about opening the trunk versus closing. Which one's louder for you? A lot of people seem that it's louder with it open. Some people close it and it gets louder. It really varies. Look forward to y'all's comments on that. And also running this 4500 watt amplifier down to 1 ohm. I didn't get all the electrical specs for battery and alternator size that he has, but he definitely did a good job getting it showcased for the show. And it sounded really nice with a clean response. Wasn't having any clipping issues. And these Sundown U series 15-inch subs were definitely handling the power really well. And a lot of people are going to be commenting where the subwoofer port is. So it is a ported enclosure, but you won't be able to see the port until during the demo. So there is a port for it. So we're going to go ahead and get to the 2-song bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily cardio videos coming your way every day. And thank you everybody for using my discount code JacobVile at Down for Sound, Sky High Cardio, and others. Enjoy the demo.
Try 31 to 55 first.
Actually pretty low. I like that, man. Nice job. I really appreciate the demo, man.
I'll give you one more.
Yeah, let's do our second song. Yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Second song. 2-song bass demo. Very nice.
Like I said, I just hooked all of this stuff up yesterday. The use, it's still kind of not even tuned all the way.
That's all good. Yes, sir. You got to play for the show. All right. Nice job. I appreciate you watching again.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.